Here at the Orlando Science Center, we're always doing something fun, more arts and crafts, and today I'm here with Raquel, just in time for back to school, and we are creating something so fun for the newest backpacks, lunch boxes. This is the coolest accessory.
Yes, absolutely. So to get the kids excited, we are going to be making Shrinky-Dinks today. They were really popular in the 90s. They've actually been around since the 1970s,
Wow.
but they were extremely trendy in the 90s. They're coming back around. So we have some that are pre-made already. All you need is this Shrinky-Dink paper. You can buy it in packs,
Okay.
or you can use recycled items too, which I have some right here. You can find them on takeout containers, blueberry containers, but it has to be the polystyrene plastic.
Okay.
You're gonna see the number 6. So that's the kind that you need because, of course, science, that they use that to actually shape it in the different ways that they need it to be for those takeout containers.
Okay.
So make sure you're looking for that number 6. But what we have today is we are going to be making the designs here, and then we are gonna be shrinking them down with our heat tool.
So can I put this like on a backpack or a lunchbox or a keychain?
Yeah, we want to get the kids excited so they get all their new stuff, maybe have something that they can show off when they get there on the first day of school.
How cool.
Yeah, so do you want to heat yours up?
Yes, this is gonna make me really popular.
Awesome, so what we're gonna do, let's take yours here. We're gonna put it right on here. And so the way that I did it is you do have to kind of hold it down with something so you're not using your hands, right?
Okay.
And this is gonna make a little bit of noise. Do you wanna do it?
Sure.
Okay, and then there's an on and off switch. You're just gonna hold it just a little bit above your design and I'll hold it for you.
Okay. So you need some adult supervision here.
Give it a second, it'll start. And of course you wanna try to do it as even as possible. It's gonna look crazy for a second, all curled up on itself,
Oh no.
but it will eventually flatten out. Trust the process, keep going. Keep going, go more on that side a little.
All right, we good there?
I think so. And of course, these are handmade things, so you're gonna have a little bit of some folds on there, but you can always take something to try to help flatten it out while it's still a little warm with adult supervision.
Okay.
And then once it's cool to the touch, you can add it on your keychain. There
Oh
you
my
go.
gosh, there you go. Made myself a little umbrella. With
So
some rain clouds.
cute. Yes, and of course you can layer them. You can have a couple on there, whatever the kids want to do.
Now that I have my little umbrella keychain here, I'm gonna go ahead and give this to Eric when I get back to the studio. But you know what they say, what goes around comes around, and that is super exciting here at the Orlando Science
Yes,
Center.
these definitely have, yeah. And we have them at the Science Center during our break camps. We also have them during our summer camps and also sometimes in the Hive too.
That's amazing. So as we head back to school, always learn through arts and crafts, and we always have that here at the Orlando Science Center. Hope you visit us.